Hello, I'm Ed Brown, director of the Oakland nonprofit, the Kittay Center for the Study of Urban Commerce. We're currently in the funding stage of opening a supermarket in East Oakland in a community that is designated a food desert. The video that follows will explain why we're working to open the supermarket. You'll find the video powerful and informative, and we welcome you to our supermarket website.
Tell me your zip code, I will tell you your life expectancy. And that's because place matters in health.
We have about 23 million people in this country that live in food deserts.
Cheap fast food is the norm in terms of a meal.
You can go for miles and not be able to buy an apple.
Having access to fresh fruits and vegetables cuts down on a lot of chronic diseases. Diabetes is less, high blood pressure is less, and even certain cancers. So we have to look at the communities that our children live in. My patients are with me 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and then they go back into their world, into their environment. And I need to be sure that that environment can help do what I'm asking them to do.
It's a desert because there's no food there, but that means there's an opportunity because there's demand and then there's lack of competition.
For a child who lives in a community where there used to be either a liquor store or a vacant lot, and all of a sudden one day they look up and there's a brand new grocery store that's selling fresh fruits and vegetables. Wow, that's new. That's different.
We talk about the grocery store as being sort of that centerpiece of a community. A, their jobs. B, all of a sudden they're exposed to a different kind of product and quality and just an environment that says you matter, that you're important. We've seen with that revitalization of the neighborhoods. There's attention now given to the walkability. People are talking about designing streets, cleaning up neighborhoods. It can be catalytic.
I think in general people just perceive that because you're in lower income communities that the money isn't there. Well, that's just simply not true. People eat everywhere, and they have to shop, and they need their goods and services. If you service them properly and you treat them properly, they're going to be loyal, and they're going to come and spend and do all the things that they need in your store.
Successful grocer is very tied in to the community they serve. It only makes sense that you would draw your employees from your local community.
Living and healthy eating is a business equation that makes sense, and it does make sense for our retailers.
Now, why African-American-owned businesses are still a rarity in many neighborhoods, including minority communities. NewsHour economics correspondent Paul Salmon has been exploring that question, part of his ongoing reporting, Making Sense of Financial News.
The Andersons enlisted John's alma mater, the Kellogg Business School, to survey the whole country.
We used to have 6,400 in the 1930s. We had 19 full-service grocery stores at the turn of the century. Now, those researchers at Kellogg who helped us with our study, they could only find evidence of three Black-owned full-service grocery stores in all the United States of America.